What's up guys, it's Yami. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Oh, holy moly.
Hey, we're done. Do the fight. They gonna play who we do. What are you talking about?
My goal is to hear their stories and give my expert advice.
You guys are best friends. There is nothing that we can do.
Sometimes mediations can go right, but sometimes can go wrong.
Let them go.
But I'm absolutely sure you're gonna love what you see.
Yo, taser!
Oh man.
What's up guys, it's Yami. Welcome to my channel. You are wondering what the hooks are doing for the holidays? Let me tell you guys, we are doing nothing.
Absolutely
nothing.
And I love your intro, baby. How you just
What do I do, baby? What do
hi,
I do?
it's Jami, and she's forgetting all about her.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Aren't you married
okay,
to me?
I'm doing it again.
Just do it all over.
No,
Okay,
I'm
ready?
doing it again.
All right,
Yes.
go.
So, what's up, guys? It's Yami, and
Bunny Hunter D, what's going on?
that's my beautiful husband right there. So, guys, we are not doing much for the holidays.
No.
As we are just my beautiful husband and I.
I love when you say your beautiful husband.
Baby, you know what's the thing? That I don't know if I have you in camera because my glasses doesn't allow me to see.
Okay, so you're gonna go back to the dark stuff. Remember last time I put you in a closet?
I know. No,
Yeah,
we wouldn't
I had
do
her in
that.
the closet.
So I'm doing this. So at
No,
least
I
I can see my husband. So if he's in camera, because you know I'm trying to get all the attention in the camera. So
Of course, baby, because
Yes,
beauty
yes.
deserves the attention, my
yes.
love.
Well, in that case, I'm gonna put it just on you, my love.
Oh, that's so nice. I guess what my wife is trying to say is that we want to say happy holidays, and we thought we break out the camera. And I know you guys are probably, have family over, and you're eating amazing food,
I
and it's just
know.
such a great time for family and to have fun. And you haven't seen your relatives in so long, and everybody
Yeah.
gets together, and it's such a beautiful time. I love this time of year. So we thought we'd break out the camera to show you that, first of all, that we're not doing anything.
That's the main thing right there.
But we are going to do some shopping and just kind of like treat each other today. So
Yes.
we thought we'd bring you guys along. Buenos dias!
What's up, everybody? It's Yami.
And it's Bounty Hunter D. Hey, so basically we finished our shopping. Actually, we weren't like Christmas shopping or anything. We just went shopping for ourselves. Right, baby?
Yes. Well, today is what, baby?
Today's the 26th.
Yeah, it's one day after Christmas Day.
That's how you know my baby getting old.
And this is how our day starts.
Yes.
Making some
Making
egg
some
whites.
egg whites and just hanging out. Hold on, let me fix this mic. And so we just kind of want to let you guys know that this is just the next day after the shopping, and
No, this is 2 days later. 2 days after the shopping.
oh, it's 2 days after.
Yes, 2 days after.
Oh, okay.
That's how you know my baby is getting old.
Yeah, we're both getting old.
Yes, yes.
One of the things that I wanted to like kind of capture, me and Jami love family, right? So we were kind of like talking about how things were when we were growing up, and how my mother, Mama Hooks, used to make us. Well, actually, Jami brought it up. So Jami, go ahead, tell the story.
And I don't know if you remember when that TV, you have to go to the TV and change the channel, right, baby?
Yeah, there was no such thing as a remote control.
No. And then you remember when your parents called you, and he said that Mama Hooks called him all the time, and he's like, I was the favorite. I was like, I don't know if that's the favorite, baby.
I thought I was my mom's favorite because she would always call me when she wants stuff.
Exactly.
D, come do this, D. And I'm thinking, wow, she must really love me. And then Jami, of course, brought to my attention that maybe that wasn't the case. We were the remote controls of the family, right?
Yes.
So they would sit in front of the TV, like sitting in front of the couch, and then call one of us over to change the channels.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys
What Mama
had that
Hooks
in your
said,
family.
Dee.
Just Dee. She used to call me Dee. Come change the channel. I used to run downstairs, change the channel. But we were kind of fortunate to have a black and white TV. It was very small, but that was later on in life. Of course, we both grew up extremely poor.
Yes.
Also, what happened with you in Honduras?
For the Latinos, that are watching us, you know that in our countries we have those big antennas outside the house. So
What?
yes, it was like this huge thing that you put so that TV can be clear when when you're watching TV.
Right.
If the channel that your parents want to watch, it was not clear. Now you have to go outside. Yeah, you have to.
Y'all had to be like cable people?
Yes, you have to go outside and move that thing, and they are directing from inside, like yes, no, yes.
So they're giving you
no.
instructions?
They're giving instructions from inside.
Why they up on the roof?
Latinos will know what I'm talking about.
Wow.
So you have one in your house, okay?
All right, so we are, baby, I didn't know that I was married to a cable lady, actually. That's pretty awesome.
Yes, that's awesome, man.
So what are you eating there? Because I don't see any breakfast for me, actually.
No, so I'm eating some egg white, and I put some cheese on top. Of course, I forgot to put because my baby was cooking for me, and he didn't put any black pepper or.
Because you went to the room and you were like, "Hey, baby, watch that. Make sure my eggs don't burn."
Yes.
And I'm just like mixing it in the pot.
Exactly.
But I didn't know that she did.
So I put the black pepper after, as you can see. And this is my breakfast. This is a protein bagels that I eat every morning.
I don't eat those.
And my baby get up, but he eat like few hours later. So the only thing that he drinks the coffee.
Yes.
But as a good Latina, I eat immediately when I get up.
That's right.
You know, when Dimmer said that both of us, we grew up very poor. Growing poor in United States is different than growing poor in our countries.
Right.
We have a TV baby this big. I don't know where that TV came from, but it's the smallest TV that I have ever had in my life. Well, my parents.
Right.
I didn't have shit at that time. Yeah.
So thanks for watching. That's the end of this.
Yes.
We will see you next time. Stay tuned for the vlog. Stay tuned for the vlog.
This is real life, little home, that's why I stayed down. I done came up off that boy, look what I made now. Like Nike, I just do this, ain't a game now. I try to get a job, but they turn me down. I know life ain't fair, that's